Welcome to my channel, French class. Let's learn some more greetings and expressions today. First one, à bientôt. À bientôt. Now this word you may have already heard if you have listened to my previous lessons. This means see you soon. Repeat after me. À bientôt. À bientôt. Very good. Next one. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. See you later. This also holds the meaning I will see you later but not too late. Repeat after me. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. Very good. À demain. À demain. See you tomorrow. Demain means tomorrow. À demain. À demain. À lundi. À lundi. See you on Monday. Lundi means Monday. Repeat after me. À lundi. À lundi. Very good. Au revoir. Au revoir. Goodbye. Now this goodbye is not like a final goodbye, but has a notion of meeting again in near future. Repeat after me. Au revoir. Au revoir. Adieu. Adieu. Now this has more of an end than au revoir. Adieu. Adieu. Now let's go to some expressions. Merci. Merci. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Beaucoup means lot or very much. Repeat after me. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. So when someone says thank you, how should you respond? Je vous en prie. You are welcome. Je vous en prie. This is more of a formal term. De rien. De rien. You are welcome or it's nothing. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Don't mention. Next. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Please. When you use vous, this is more of a respect or a plural term. S'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. If it is singular or of a friend. Repeat after me. S'il vous plaît. S'il te plaît. Excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Easy to understand. Excuse me. Excusez-moi. Pardon. Pardon. Sorry. Apologies. Now keep practicing until we meet with the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. À bientôt.